Here I am with this Volvo XC90. It's a 2026 model and it's a fabulous car. I already have a video published on my YouTube channel. But the company who sent me this wireless adapter asked me if I could add some other functions like the video functions. I'm gonna try to do that. And this is a perfect example of how well these accessories work. But look at this. When I hit Apple CarPlay here, connect your iPhone, but make sure the USB cable is connected properly. So even though this is a very modern car, it doesn't have a wireless Apple CarPlay connection. So this is your solution, so you don't have to plug in your phone all the time. So here it is. You connect this little wire, USB-C to USB-C down here. And I apologize for doing this at night, but in a crazy busy day, so. Let's see, there it is. Terms of services, accept. So it worked immediately. There it is, there's the Android Auto, but we want Apple CarPlay. Well, this is a problem here. Let me see, it's starting it restarted the system to fix the resolution. Let's see here. I should see this one here. Oh, there it is. It fixed it now. There's the Apple CarPlay Auto Box 57F0 Auto Box. I'm connecting it here. So it's connected. So my phone now already has it. There you go. Now, if I were to use this car all the time, I didn't have to do anything. I just come in, and even though the in-car system requires a wire, as you can see, I'm connected without wires. So now let's see some of the features here in the actual box. Let's see all the widgets here. Here's my podcast. Let's listen to it a little bit.
So I would say, one of the most wonderful things about doing the morning check-ins is that everybody who's coming through our door wants to be here.
Exactly.
So, and when you have a student body that
pretty good audio quality. But let me see where I get the other apps. Let's go to that. I don't know why it was giving me a notification there. So let's see here the YouTube channel. I have to connect to the internet, but I don't know how to do that here. Let me see. It's here. Settings, network, internet networks available. Let's see. There you go. There's mine. Connect. So the password is connecting, authenticating. It says connected. It has a weak signal, but it seems that it's working. Okay, it's connected now. Let's see. Let's go to my YouTube channel. So there it is. And actually, let's look for the previous video I published on this AI box. Wow, a lot of stuff here. Recently uploaded. Let's go here. So let's watch this one about the Ford Maverick Lobo, which won the NACTOY North American Car, Truck, and Utility Vehicle of the Year award that we presented last week at the auto show in Detroit. Of course, there's an ad.
The new Infiniti QX80 and QX60 Sport are dark chrome, stealthed out thieves. With beauty that steals your...
Let's skip. Amigos, yo soy Javier Mota, los saludo aquí con la Ford Maverick Lobo 2026, ganadora del premio. So there you go. We're not gonna watch the whole thing because I already watched it. Obviously I made it. This is the way to use this Reeiio wireless adapter, not only for Apple CarPlay but many other applications. As you can see, it can be Netflix, it can be TikTok, everything else, and you can still play your Apple CarPlay. Pretty good product, I have to say. And this Volvo, again, even though it's a very modern car, it still required a wire to connect, but we eliminated that with this Reeiio Mini AA box. So there you go. Thumbs up.